Communication. It's the bread and butter of human interaction. It's how we connect, share ideas, and build relationships. But effective communication, that's a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Think of a time you felt truly heard. Someone listened intently, asked thoughtful questions, and responded with genuine interest. Now imagine the opposite, a conversation filled with misunderstandings, blank stares, and frustration. That, my friends, is the power of strong communication skills. It's not just about talking, it's about understanding and being understood. Whether it's a casual chat with a mate or a high-stakes business meeting, mastering communication can make all the difference. Communication is like a well-oiled machine with several parts working together. First, we have verbal communication, the words we choose, our tone of voice, and how clearly we speak. Then comes non-verbal cues, our body language, facial expressions, and even eye contact. These subtle signals speak volumes, often conveying more than words alone. Why is communication so important? Well, it's the foundation of strong relationships, both personally and professionally. Good communication fosters trust, resolves conflicts, and builds deeper connections. In the workplace, strong communication skills are highly sought after. They can lead to career advancement, increased productivity, and a more positive work environment. Now let's talk about vocabulary. A rich vocabulary is like a toolbox, providing you with the right words for any situation. But how do you expand your word bank? The answer lies in communication itself. The more you engage in meaningful conversations, the more words you'll encounter. Pay attention to how others speak, the words they use and their delivery. Reading is another powerful tool for vocabulary building. Newspapers, books, even magazines expose you to a wide range of words and writing styles. Make it a habit to look up unfamiliar words and try using them in your own conversations. Remember, building vocabulary is an ongoing process. Embrace new words, use them confidently, and watch your communication skills soar. Ready to take your communication skills to the next level? Here are a few tips to get you started. Truly listen to what others have to say. Ask clarifying questions and provide verbal and non-verbal cues to show you're engaged. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Get to the point without rambling, ensuring your message is easily understood. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. Understanding their feelings and point of view can bridge communication gaps. The more you communicate, the better you'll become. Seek opportunities to engage in conversations, give presentations, or even just chat with friends and family. Remember, mastering communication is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, be open to learning, and watch as effective communication unlocks a world of opportunities.